Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Right now what we have with me is actually industrial grade solar panel, and nothing to shout about. But what is so special about this panel is actually it made of industrial grade with aluminium casing with a U-bracket, so for easy building, and 5 meters cable so that you can plug into a solar light. So I'm going to show you actually is I install one unit of the ROXY, our latest ROXY 2.0 into what you call that, our pantry. Okay, this basically is a pantry. I'm going to show you is right now is that this product is you can use this as a ceiling light, or you also can use it as a wall light. So you can see here is okay, this is upside down. Basically you have the off, high, normal and low. It's a very easy to use. At the back here you can plug into the solar panel connector. Alright, so this is the one that I showed you just now. And what you can do is actually you can turn it on with the on off switch here. When the first time you press it, this will be the full power. Okay, it's full power. Punch out about 150 lumens. So to me it's good enough just to to light up the pantry, storeroom, car porch, all kind of area lighting. But of course when you use the full power, it will probably give about 6 hours, that kind of lighting time. But let's say if you press it to a normal one more time, so this is a normal, it will give you the dusk window roughly about 10 to 12 hours. But let's say come to a rainy season, or or like recently what happened in Malaysia is the haze. We got a haze for 2 months, and that is ridiculous, and most of the solar system will go down. Let's say it's come to that kind of point whereby the weather is so bad you don't have enough sunlight for a month. So you can do is you press it one more time for low power setting. Okay, now you can see now this is low power setting, and this will give you let's say about more than 15 hours a day of power. But because if the low setting is consume of energy, and it will give you longer lighting time. But again, it is still enough light. The lower setting will give you roughly about more than 50 lumens. But still good enough. 50 lumen you can light up. And we designed the reflector, the light casing, the inside there with a reflector. Will make it to a more colorful kind of reflector. You can see it's a bit like orange or yellow kind of color. Inside is using 9 pieces of SME high power LED. Alright, it's a very efficient LED. And then for the lamp casing, the casing here, we also add in some lenses. You can see that many small kind of lenses. Basically this will help to give a better lighting effect, so that it will not directly hit you on your eyes, but again it will create a better suitable lighting effect. And then this casing itself actually is designed for outdoor as well, so you can install this outdoor. In other words, it's ready to take raining water, waterproof, and then also we're using the waterproof connector so that you can plug into your solar panel. So this come with the daylight sensor. Basically, let's say if you plug into the solar panel like this guy, alright, coming to the morning, the light will automatically off, and let's say come to the night, the light will automatically on, as long as you plug into the solar panel. But some of you, let's say, use this is in the storeroom during the daylight or daytime, you want to on the light, but because of the solar panel plug-in, you will not on the light. What you can do is you can, like what I do right now, disconnect this connector and then press the on/off button. Then again you can use it in your storeroom, even in the morning. Yeah, so this will help you to use it as the lighting that you're gonna do. Yeah, later I'll probably show you some outdoor video how we're gonna use this guy, and do check our product at at our website. And if you don't have more question, you can give us a call or drop us an email. I have one ROXY installed in one of the bus stops whereby the light is not working. So this is a very large bus stop, quite long. So I would say that maybe we need about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 of this welder to light out a large scale bus stop. now you probably see that I'm going to a dark room, and this is probably the fire hose room. You can call this as just to give you an idea. Let's say you are going to a storeroom, pretty dark. Let's say you do not have a wire or for light, then you find out very hard to get yourself light up. So with the ROXY, basically you can choose a new place that you want to light it up. So let's say I choose for this wall. Okay, you can mount this with the the hole here and the two hole here, or you're too lazy like me, I'm just gonna put a double-sided tape. But of course, when you find a strong double-sided tape, when you just stick it in, the thing won't drop because this is quite lightweight. But I do need to caution you is that once you pull it out, your pen, your pen on the wall will definitely come out with it. So you have to do that carefully. So let's say you can see that this whole room basically is right up. I can see everything clearly. So the fire hose and things like that, shoes. Oh, I think it's an empty can of Budweiser. Yeah. So don't need it. And off it. This is the second setting, normal setting and dim setting. Okay. As a dim mode, I would say that not so bad. The camera is just out of focus. Okay, now this is the dim mode. Out of focus again. Let me show you. The lower setting, still alright for such a small room. But let's say you don't need it. You just can just off it. Alright, so back to the dark room kind of thing. Gonna on it again. Alright, so gonna take it away with me for some other demonstration. Yeah, so you can use all kind of lighting application that you think is suitable for you to use. Alright.